What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I just wanted to come with you guys today with an update on the building. It's a little cold out today, so I'm sorry if you're seeing my breath, and kind of like a dreary day. So I got my flashlight on my phone just so I can record decent and see a little bit. But anyway, on to the building. We've got our switch box in. As you can see, we've got a lot of our wire ran. Got everything kind of ran to where it needs to be. Both ends of the house, plugs everywhere. Fuses in. The fuse box came with a few fuses, so we've got some split up, some down here and some up top. We still got to get the meter box on the outside and get it running. We're going to run it in from the bottom. This one we just got laying on the floor because we're going to take it out to the bottom, through the bottom. And outside what we're going to do is one of the mini splits, one of the Mr. Cool, I think it was a 18,000 BTU mini split. That way it's like a smaller version of a central. And we're gonna put the inside part right there and run everything out to the outside and mount it somewhere on the outside of the building. But yeah, that's about it with that. We got all that ran. Of course, we don't have any plugs or anything in yet or any electric because, like I said, we still gotta get the meter box on the outside. But that part is done. We found a countertop for a kitchen, really cheap. We picked it up, pretty good, pretty nice. I think 35 bucks. No, it's 45, but we got a window with it too, and I'll show you that here in just a second. So this is half of it, and then there's the other half. Already got the hole cut out for the sink. Somebody was giving away a sink on Facebook, so we got a kitchen sink already. Picked up a bathroom sink. Somebody was giving this away on Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace. We went ahead and picked it up. We figured might as well. It's really nice. Free. Gave us this and the side splash for, I want to say it was the right hand side, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But we're thinking of putting it right in the center of this wall here, so we won't need it anyway. Here's that window I was telling you guys about. We got that and the countertop for $45. Pretty good at the Habitat for Humanity Restore. We're actually going to put it up sideways right in between these two plug boxes. I'm going to put it right in there sideways. That way our sink will come right here in the middle, and then the window will be up above the sink. We'll be able to see out. We didn't want to do too big of one, and we just went ahead and got that one. We found it because it doesn't open, so we don't really need one that opens. And then the size of it kind of matches the other ones, so it won't be super awkward looking. Trying to think of what else we've done so far. We haven't done a lot more. We've just kind of been slow go at it. I need to get out here one day and pick up all these little blocks and clean up a little bit. That way when we get to the next step, which I think the next step we're going to put that window in the next couple of days once it dries up some and gets a little bit warmer. And then we will be getting some insulation. I think we're going to do the ceiling first. That way we can get that buttoned up. And then do the ceiling, do the sheetrock on the ceiling, and then do the insulation in the walls. And we're going back and forth on whether we want to do paneling or insulation. We still got to find another window for back here in the bedroom. We're going to throw one back here, probably right here on this wall. So we're kind of putting the insulation on the walls off until we get that done. That way we can put that window in. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We haven't got a lot done. Just little things here, there, and under along the way. Nothing major. Just thought I'd give you guys a little bit of an update. All right. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you guys later. Stay tuned for more updates on this build, and we'll see you around. Take it easy.